Okay, everybody. Here we go. We are about to make our first recorded trade. SPY, okay? We look at SPY, the S&P 500. We can easily see where the supply is and where the demand is. Demand starts here. Supply starts here. We had an interest rate cut here for a quarter point on the 18th. The market still hasn't moved. Now there's a possibility we go to highs again. There's a possibility we go to highs. I am buying puts right now because I think we're going to go down again somewhere here, maybe even lower. I think the Fed is kind of hitting the brakes on cutting rates, or at least saying. But the bottom line is, if they're already cutting rates to help the economy, that means we're on the way down. Okay, so we're early. We could be a little bit early. There's always a possibility of something happening with the China deal. I don't think so. I don't think they're going to do it until Trump gets reelected. But there's always risk. Okay, there's always risk, and that's what the risk is. But I think that it's tilted toward the downside. So I'm going to my option chain. Okay, I'm clicking SPY in the symbol. I'm doing a single leg. I'm going to go out until October the 19th. That's exactly a month away. I'm going to give it a week before I roll it. And here are the puts, here are the calls. Okay, this is if you think it's going up, and this is if you think it's going down. And we're at 300. I'd like to get something close to the strike price. And the limit price I'm going to pay is 2.35. Doesn't matter. I'll get it at the price, the best price they can get me. Boom. Let's see. Orders filled. Position. I have one at an average price of 2.29. All right. And that's where we're at, guys. So if you want to see it visibly, or visually rather, here we are. We're coming right up against that supply. So somebody sold hard right there. Somebody sold hard. And they sold at a specific price. And I'm betting that they're willing to sell again. Only this time, I don't think there's going to be any support. Or not much support here. If it does, it might bounce. But I think we ultimately might test here again. Now we got October coming around. October is just generally a month you see of losses, but there's reasons for that. People sell off for tax reasons. We already know GDP and corporate earnings are going to be shrinking. Probably feeling the trade war a little bit. You have the S&P that's up like double digits this year. I think around 19%. People are going to be taking profits. I think there's just too much lined up to the negative side towards the end of this year. So that's the call. We're going to check it out in a week, or I'll update you if anything crazy happens sooner than that. But you guys have a great weekend, okay? It's Quad Witching Friday. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.